Alright guys, so we are now live today. Let me see one thing. Let's give it a minute so we invite people to join, and also I want to add my MT5 account to this. Okay, so yeah, that's number one. Yeah, that's that. Okay, so now though, let's give it a minute for people to join, and then there's 3 minutes for the market open. So we are gonna kickstart it. By the way, this is day 5 of the challenge that we are actually running, and honestly, I would say that it's been amazing. We took the first trade yesterday, and obviously our first trade was a losing one. It's very sad, but it is what it is actually. Today we have a chance to actually, do better and, and redeem ourselves. So we are going to be trading smart today. We're going to be trading smart today. The mistake that we made yesterday, we're not going to repeat the same mistake today. So, and today we are also reducing the risk that we are actually working with. So, yesterday we had a full 2% risk. So today is going to be a 1% risk because we already lost 2% yesterday. So it only makes sense that today we reduce the risk. And that was exactly the plan that I have outlined out last week before the challenge kickoff, that if on any particular day that we are trading, we had a loss, then the risk on the next trade is going to reduce. So, and I'm going to do exactly what I said. So today, not only am I reducing my, okay, so it's two things. Number one, I'm thinking that I should reduce my position size from 1 lot to 0.5 lots, or I use the same, but the stop loss position is going to be 50 points. So I think I might actually go for a 50-point stop loss and still use a 1 lot. So if I can get a sharp entry, I'm going to use a 50-point stop. But if I cannot get a sharp entry, I'm going to use a 0.5 stop. Okay, and that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. So we have just 1 minute now to market open, and then we are going to know where NASDAQ is right now. So at the moment right now, NASDAQ is already at the demand zone, the second demand zone that I was talking about in London session. If you watch the analysis on the live stream on the London session, I mentioned that NASDAQ potentially can go to the to the second demand zone. And right now in this session, we are already in the second demand zone. So I'm expecting to see reaction from this zone. And then from here, we can potentially take a trade. So I'm going to wait for the first 2 minutes of this session to finish. Then I'm going to potentially be taking a trade from here, right? And then we'll target the previous day high. So NASDAQ has already taken the previous day, and that's a good one. All right, so now we're just waiting to see. So the first 1 minute candle is already trying to go bullish on the, but we'll see. We'll see. Price is in a demand zone, so definitely we can buy, but we need to wait and see some more confirmation. And in order for us to do that, we are going to potentially, just wait enough time, and then it's going to present us an opportunity to actually do that. All right. Yep. Okay, so the initial candle is already trying to print bullish, and it's a good thing. I even believe that if it actually should pull back into the Asian range, then, and it closes there, then there's a big chance that if we just take a trade from there, then it's just going to keep flying up and up and up and up from there. So that's also a possibility. So because price is actually at the demand zone, I'm thinking that, okay, first 1 minute candle finish now. Let me see, what does it look like? I'm going to buy NASDAQ now. just, you know, I'm gonna do the first 0.5 entry. Okay, so I just bought, oh, I think I bought the wrong lot size. I bought 1.05 instead of 0.5. Oh man, oh man, oh my days. I wanted 0.5 and it actually bought the wrong one. It bought the wrong one. But let's see. So let me switch the so I just entered a trade now on the NASDAQ. Right, this is the trade I just entered on the NASDAQ. So now I'm going to set the stop loss to, so I've entered the second trade officially now. I'm going to set the stop loss of this to, stop loss is going to be 24605. Obviously, it's going to be a, oh man, I made a mistake in the way I was setting the stop loss. So now I have to try and recalculate where the stop loss is going to be. 24605. If I put the stop loss there, let me see how much it is going to be. Okay, that's $89. Wow. Okay. I potentially now I have to leave the stop loss where it is now. Also, the stop loss I put now is not in the best place, but okay, maybe I'll put it right here, which is basically $83. I'm just gonna leave it there. Let me see on 1 hour. Right. Okay, let me see. What if I put it below this level? That's 119. Okay. So as of right now, we are already making some profits. Whoa, we're making like some good money right now. Okay, we're making like some good profit right now on the NASDAQ. So I'm going to just try and hold on. Gonna try and we're gonna hold the trade for the first minutes, for the first 15 minutes of the opening, and hopefully NASDAQ is going to, like, you know, make the move that we want. It's gonna give us the best risk to reward then when that happens. We're almost recovering the loss of yesterday because NASDAQ is currently printing about $70 in profit. So, all right, where are we? Okay, in terms of trading view, let me show you where the entry is. The entry was somewhere here. The entry was from somewhere here, and the stop is right below here. And now we are moving high. Okay, so let me show you the trading view where the entry is. So this is where the entry is on the trading view itself. So the entry was somewhere here, and so now I believe that NASDAQ might go for the previous day high from where we are now. So I set the stop loss. The stop loss is also another $100. Apparently, again today we are obviously risking another 2%. I made a mistake when I was entering the trade. I wanted to use 0.05, and then I ended up using 1.05 lot size. Like, it happens, but it is what it is. So let's be patient. The good thing actually is that the market is moving in our favor. It's moving in our direction a lot. So we might be making money today. Or we are making money today. Let's say it that way. Oh, right now, if I just close now, I've just recovered back the loss of yesterday. Like if I just close this trade, you can see we're already making 107. But I'm not gonna close anyway because, you know, the price still has potential to move a lot into you know, it has potential to just keep going. And the target is going to be the Asian high, I believe, or at least the 50% range of the session. So that is potentially going to be the area of, you know, to focus on right now. So it's looking good. The second trade is looking good. We might be making good profits today. Like, bro, I'm gonna go break even very soon. I'm going to go break even soon, and then we'll call it a day. I'm definitely gonna, I'm gonna take a profit very soon, because right now it has given us the opportunity to take profit. So it is looking good. You can see we are already making $135 right now. It's not bad, honestly. I wouldn't say it's bad. It's not bad. So let's keep waiting. We'll wait at least to see the first 15 minutes candle to finish, to close. And then when it closes, then we are going to potentially know, what to do. So it's all about waiting now, and nothing is stopping us again. All right, so I'm just going to potentially keep holding, like that's all. I'm gonna be looking at it, holding and waiting, and hopefully we get to make a lot of money today, and that would be so nice. That would be so nice. I'm thinking of even going break even by now, so that at least if I don't believe that if the so I just protected capital now. I'm going break even now. So I just set break even, and that means that we're no longer trading with any particular risk. But it's still very early for me to actually set a break even. But if the price should be coming back to our entry, potentially I might I'll just leave it at the break even. I'm not gonna move it. I'm just gonna leave it at the break even. So if price come back and take us out, then we're done trading for today. So right now we're trading risk free without any risk again. So we've tried for this week. So now it's about waiting, and let's see what NASDAQ is gonna give us. We no longer have any risk on the position we have open right now. So honestly, I wouldn't lie, it feels good to enter a trade and it goes in your direction, and that way it's good. All right, 7 more minutes to the close of the opening. Hopefully NASDAQ maintain this this push. If NASDAQ maintain this push, I think it's going to be a really good one for us. It's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. If NASDAQ maintain this push, it's going to be so good. Right, let's see. Let's have a look, see. Let's also see the trading view itself, what is actually happening. So this is the trading view. We can see, although right now there's some pullback happening, but the pullback is not bad. It's I think we should be getting more. We should be getting more momentum from buyers. Actually, I think we should get more momentum from the buyers, and that would put us in a better position actually. So there's 5 minutes more to the close of the first 15 minutes candle, and then we'll keep holding. But right now, there is no risk again on this trade. I already set the break even. Break even means that I already set the stop loss into my entry level. In fact, it's into some profit. So if the price should come back to the entry and took us out, then we're done trading for today. But for now, the profit target is the Asian high, which is going to give us a 1 to 2 risk reward, or even 1 to potentially okay, I think we're actually making profit now. We're making some profit. Let's go, NASDAQ. Let's go. Let's go. Kind of feels good to make money though, not gonna lie. Let me see the so you can see right now it's making about $130. I hope that the push continues. If the push continues this way, and we go and take the Asian high, then that is going to be so good for us. That's going to be so good for us. Okay. Okay. All right, so now we're waiting. I think we might also potentially just wait for the trade to keep going. Like the trade has so much potential today, especially being that today is also Friday. Fridays is one of those days that NASDAQ like, moving a lot in the direction it wants to go. So if we look at NASDAQ on 1 hour, we would see that, so let me share the trading view. If you look at NASDAQ on 1 hour, we would see that there's a long way for NASDAQ to push, especially if it wants to retest the highest point of yesterday, which is over here. And even if it wants to go into the all-time high, it's way over here, which is 424 points. So if we have a lot of patience today, we actually might be going on with a lot of money, right? We might be going on with a lot of money right now. And I think that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to wait. We're going to wait for a while. There's 3 more minutes to the first 15 minutes of the session, and it's already looking good. And honestly, all I can say is we need to just wait right now. We can squeeze more profits from the current trade. Wow, we're already making 4% right now on this trade. I can't, bro, this is so cool. We're currently making 4%, $200, and it's still going. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to move the stop loss into $100 so that at least we would recover back the initial loss that we have had. So now I've moved so I'm going to move it to $100 profit. So this means that we would now be recovering the loss of yesterday. Or what I should do instead is, instead of changing the, I'm just going to close partial, okay? How do I do that? Just come here, right click, and then right click on this. So I want to close partial, meaning I want to close like half of this. So let's go like this. Yep. Then I'm going to go modify position. I'm going to do market execution. Then I'm going to close 0.5, right? So basically now if I close 0.5, I'm just going to wait a little bit for the trade to pull back into $200 profit. Once it does that, then I'm going to close 0.5. I'm going to close 0.5 so that it's going to give us $100 profit back. And then I'm going to keep holding the rest until it reaches wherever NASDAQ wants to go. So that's what I'm hoping to do right now. And let's hope that it gives us the opportunity to do that again. And that's what I'm going to do. So, yeah. All right, let's just wait a little bit more. So now I'm trying to close partial because I want to secure some profit for the account, right? And then and let the rest just keep running into the final take profit. And this is one of the good things to do when you're trading. If the trade already gives you opportunity to close some profit, then take the profit and close at least some of your position. Okay, let me wait for it to get back to $200. If it does, then I'm gonna close partial. Okay, it's going there. Come on, NASDAQ. So we're getting a good push from NASDAQ today. It's really good thing to see. And it's a good thing to see. It's a good thing to actually see. So 190 now, 195, 198. Okay, I'm getting ready. I'm gonna close shortly. Once it's gone above the 200 properly, then I'll close half of the position. Okay, I'm about to close half. I need it to be like 210 to something, then I will close half, because if I close when it's just exactly 200, I will not get the exact $100 profit that I actually need. So let me just hold on a little bit. Let me hold on a little bit right now. Hopefully there will be one more push that's like a strong push to the upside, then it's gonna allow me to close some partial right now. Okay, I'm closing partial now. All right, I just closed partial. So the partial I close means that I've secured $100 profit for the account. So I'm going to keep holding the remaining trade until until it reaches the full TP target. So this is, oh, it closed at $95. Oh man, and that's what I'm talking about. Like I tried to close, $100 profit, and then it closed me out on. Anyway, it is what it is. We're still holding the remaining trade. So we're holding the remaining trade, and let's see how it goes. So we're still making $100 profit right now. And honestly, after this 15 minutes candle, I'm going to decide to potentially close, or I can just keep holding until we reach the, anyway, we've already secured back the loss we had from yesterday. That's a good thing. That's the first good thing that we've had now. So what I will do now is just keep managing the trade. I'll keep holding the trade, keep managing it. And so right now I'm only risking the profit that is floating, the floating profit of $100. And reason why I'm holding is because I believe that NASDAQ is still going to push a lot higher. So if NASDAQ is going to still push a lot higher, I want to have something in the market to keep pushing like that. So that's why I'm holding this trade. Okay. Let's go, NASDAQ. Let's go. Give us some profit, Mr. NASDAQ. All right. NASDAQ is facing some rejection at that level, but it is what it is. We're going to keep holding it. Let's keep holding. I think what I would do, actually, I might just, I would keep the stream running. I might step away for a little bit and then come back, but I'll keep holding the trade itself. All right, so let's keep holding, and then we'll come back in a minute to see how it turns out. But I believe it's going to be a really good one for us, actually. Right, guys. So basically now, uh, incredible things has actually happened. Like NASDAQ has gone way into our full TP, but I wasn't in front of the chart so that I could close. So what's happening right now is that NASDAQ has hit full take profit at 1 to 5. My God, bro, that's a lot of profits one day. But so what happened actually was that I was away, and because I was away, the price is already pulled back. Anyway, I already set the break even. If it stops us out, no problem. And so I'm still gonna keep the trade to keep running for now. It will keep running, and hopefully we get to make profit later. So I'm gonna keep, I'm just gonna hold it to keep running. But for now, uh, we we're almost there. We're almost there. All right. I think there's a lot more potential for NASDAQ to push to the upside. So I'm gonna hold. Hopefully, they don't do the opposite thing. And because there's news today, right? Don't forget that there is news. And the second news I think already happened. So to give a trade update, let me refresh this account, the equity hedge account. I've already recovered back 1%, right? So you can see based on the ongoing trade now, the equity is at $5,078. Yesterday, the loss that we had was $100, but we recovered back the loss already today. So potentially today we might actually, be making a lot more profits by the end of the day. So I'm going to leave this trade to keep running. As long as it doesn't hit my break even, it will keep running until until I feel like the momentum has died down. And because today is also Friday, I'm going to let it really keep running. And also, all right, let's watch out, and I will keep updating you again on the channel. Thank you everyone for joining. This is the day 5 of the Prop challenge, the $5,000 challenge. It's going well. It's going well. We started rough yesterday, but now we've recovered back and we are going higher. I think we're gonna hit this challenge on the nail. We're gonna make it happen, and by God's grace, we're gonna be passing it. Hopefully Monday, Tuesday, and we can go on to the next thing, onto the phase 2. Okay. With that said, everyone, thank you for coming. And as usual, if you have any question, make sure you ask on the comment section or on the Telegram channel, and I'm going to always respond to everything. As of right now, we are making a lot of profit. I'm just gonna let the trade keep running. I'm not gonna close this trade at all. It will keep running. So thank you everyone, and happy and safe trading. We're gonna see each other again next week. I'm going to give the breakdown of the trades of the week on the week 1 as a video. I'm gonna post it. So stay tuned, and let's have a good one. Happy and safe trading, everyone.